Hi guys, it's Jamie with Jamie's Realistic Life. Welcome or welcome back. My name is Jamie and I'm on a journey to get my finances paid, updated, ahead, paid off, all the goodies. So, if you're new here, welcome. If you are a subscriber that's been with me for months, thank you for returning. Years. I have been doing YouTube for 3 years now, and this is just a how do I want to say it? This is just a video vlog of my life and the ups and downs that I have had with the struggle. So guys, this is what we're going to be doing today. We are going to be doing the 52-week roll the dice challenge, which is going to, hang on a minute, I'm having a little problem here, which what I'm doing is I'm going to do as many as these as I can, and the money is going to go into my 100 envelope challenge. Once it's done, this money will go towards my mortgage. So we are going to see how fast we can get this done, and I can't wait to finish it. But after I finish this 52-week challenge, I am also recording it into like a 100-day challenge. So both of these are together, but it's going to continue on until I get all of them filled. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so the dice I chose today is my orange one. So I am going to get my orange highlighter here, and we are going to see how many we can get done. So let's start off. Oh wait, I have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. $22 to add to this challenge. It might not be 52 weeks. It may be shorter than that, but we're going to see what we can do. And it popped on a 1. So there's that one. And I'm going to put a 1 right here. Oh, we got another 1. So I'll put it right there, which y'all can't see it, but it's behind me. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we have a 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Another 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's see what we got left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're going to see how many more we can do. Oh, there's a 1. There's another 1. I'll pull this down here so we can go over here to the next one. Oh, we got 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And let me pull out another 1. I think I got, yep, I got another 1. Okay, so we're going to stop here. So we have 6. So what we're going to do, guys, is I'm going to put this back together because we know we got it all together. So we are going to pull 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 envelopes. I'm going to pull 7 envelopes out of here. And I'm just going to randomly pick one and pull it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm pretty sure it was 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so we got 7 envelopes. So now let me come over here and I will take this one right here out and we will work it this way. Okay guys, this is a fun way to do it. And then I got my box right here. So the first number is 1 and it's 65. So I'm going to put $1 in here. I'll slide it in there. These do rip, so just be very carefully. So number 65 has got $1. The next one is $1 also, and it is number 2. So number 2 got $1. The next one is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So number 37 gets $4. And if you do this the right way, these are scratch off numbers, but if you do it the right way, you put $37 in there, but I can't do that at this time. I'm just doing small ones. So 37, did I write it down? Yep, I did. 37 got 4. Let's see, the next one is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So envelope number 98 got $5. The next one is also 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number 50. Number 50 got $5. Oh, okay, the next one was a 1. So number 93 gets $1. So 93 is $1. This is so much fun for me to do. I love doing this. And then the last one got 6. And it is number 26. And we should have 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I will put that there. And guys, this is how I'm keeping track of the 52-week savings challenge, 100 envelope altogether, which I really do love. And we're almost halfway to the end. So I can't wait to see how much we can save with this challenge. Alright guys, if you're new and you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. The money that I get from my YouTube channel, which is not much, I hardly ever get a check from YouTube, which is okay. I just usually do this for fun. We'll be going into savings, emergency fund, and paying off debt. So with that said, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Hit the thumbs up, comment, share, subscribe, and I will catch you all in the next one. Bye, guys.